It is so crazy how you drive up this mesa, the temperature drops about 10-15 degrees, and the entire earth drops away right before your eyes. Hey guys, I'm in Moab. I'm visiting Dead Horse at ARCHES National Park, and today I'm going to talk about the things you need to know before traveling here. So stay tuned to the end so you can plan for your trip.
You ready? Hit it.
So number one, be prepared to have your breath taken away multiple times on this trip. Look at this, guys. It's like we're on Mars. Wow. This is unreal. By the way, guys, if you're liking this view, you know what to do. Like and subscribe down below. Number two, if you're into off-roading, this is known as the off-roading capital of the United States, possibly the world. So everyone's got a 4x4, and if you have one, you're gonna wanna take it out on the roads, but be prepared before you do. We took an off-roading excursion on our trip with Bronco Off-Roadeo, a unique event offered to Bronco owners. Our guide was experienced in off-roading and showed us how to navigate the trails. We recommend that you take a guide if you haven't been off-roading before. And while you're out on the trails, bring a first aid kit, satellite phone, and some other essentials that will link below. Some of the trails like Wipeout Hill and Hell's Revenge are only to be attempted by extremely experienced drivers. Check out some of the footage from Hell's Revenge. It looks like a 90-degree angle. Other popular off-roading trails are the 7 Mile Rim and Fins and Things. Plus, there's plenty of off-roading stores and gear in the town. Leave your fear of heights at home. We're soaring 2,000 feet above the Colorado River, and there's hardly any guardrails.
I feel awake. Good. Wide awake.
Before, it has to do with the sun. The sun is very strong here. So you want to bring lots of water. Lots and lots of water, much more than you think necessary. What's great about coming this time of day past 7 p.m. is you get to beat the heat and the crowds. As you can see behind me, nobody's here. Just a few people coming back from their hikes. The heat was so extreme during our trip in May that we recommend hiking right before sunset or at sunrise. But unless you're prepared for a night hike, be sure to leave the trails plenty of time before the sun actually sets. One thing to note is they do have a ticketing system to enter the park between 7 and 4. Part of the reason why we visited ARCHES National Park so late in the day is due to the timed entry tickets. The day that we tried to enter the park, it was already sold out, and timed entry is required before entering. If you're flying to Moab, the closest airport is Grand Junction in Colorado, about an hour and a half away, and be sure to grab a window seat because this is one of the most scenic flights we've ever taken. There is going to be very limited cell service up here, very limited GPS, so you want to have all of your maps downloaded, maybe a satellite phone, just in case. And you might want to watch Thelma and Louise before coming here because there's a famous scene that was filmed right here. How many of you guys have seen Thelma and Louise? Comment below. One of the biggest shocks is that this Dead Horse is not a national park, it's a state park. But if this was in any other state, easy national park. So this is surprising. There's a solar evaporation pond right in the middle of this beautiful landscape. This is unreal. Delicate arch at sunset. Look at this. Getting up here was crazy. I waited in about a 15-minute line to take photos. So this is the line for the arch. And look at this. Okay, so the town of Moab, we were really surprised. It's actually really cute. They have a lot of different types of accommodations. We're staying in a hotel that's geared for adventurers called Field Station. We are at the Field Station Moab. 2 beds. They're very bike friendly here, also dog friendly. They're bike friendly, yet no bike rentals are available here. Interesting industrial look, and it's $240 per night to stay here. They have so many REI type details here, including these bungee cords. And then check this out. Instead of a comforter, it's like a sleeping bag. So interesting. When to visit Moab, we visited during springtime, and the wildflowers were abundant, giving color to the desert landscape. Plus, the temperatures weren't quite in the triple digits yet. In terms of food, one of almost everything. Thai food, pizza, sushi, barbecue, even food trucks. We were really impressed by the Thai food specifically. Who knew that you could get great Thai food in the middle of the desert? Next is shoes and gear. You want to bring something with some traction, because look at how slippery some of these rocks are. There's the town of Moab. Only 30 minutes to the ARCHES, and we're already in the park. It's no surprise that a landscape as beautiful as this inspires local artists, and we check out their works here at Moab Made. We walked away with a few paintings and candles, and also check out the downtown. There are over 15 stunning murals inspired by the landscapes. Oh, and there's even an art walk. The driving scenery here is insane. If you want to feel like you're driving through Mars, this is the place for you. On the highway, the speed limit was 75, so you could go quite fast. And if you're looking for a viewpoint, you don't have to drive far. At the ARCHES National Park, most of the viewpoints are right off the road. Here's the town. Most of these stores close at 9 though. But it's super cute. There's not much nightlife in this town. A lot of it closes at 9. So we're gonna try and hurry up and go to this brewery. It's supposed to be the best one. Trying the dead horse.
But I appreciate your time. You all have a good day, all right? Drive safe.
And with that, we hope that you get a chance to visit Moab and the ARCHES National Park very soon. It's one of the most stunning places we've ever been. And be sure to like and subscribe for more travel videos.